Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get HBO Max with Dashpass. Now you can get this for $10.99 a month. Okay, this is included with the DoorDash Dashpass annual plan. This is the monthly Max Basic, okay, with ads plan. And if you want, you can just sign up for the Max Standard plan through the DoorDash app or website for $10.99 a month, plus the applicable taxes. Very easy, just go to doordash.com/max, sign into your DoorDash account, and go through with this, right? And what you need to do, guys, to activate your Max subscription, you just log in, choose account here, the lower left corner, then click on Manage Dashpass. Choose Manage Max Subscription, and then choose either the Max Basic with ads or the Max Standard plan, and then choose Activate on Max. Now, on the Welcome to Max screen, you want to enter an email address for a Max account. Okay, if you already have an account, enter your Max account email. We can do one of the following. So you can be a new subscriber or returning subscriber. So you just log in, and then you just choose Start Streaming, and you're ready to watch Max. So the main important thing is to enter the correct email address that you want to use. Otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.